around the corner.
And so far it looks under control, but Rilee Rossouw times this, almost gets the boundary. They'll come back for the third. Good end to the over for Multan. And Rilee. Oh, he's been smoked down the ground, and maximum.
143 across the tournament. And this was much needed.
Rilee Rossouw, well, he's just picked this up and it's flown away. Shot hammered. What a shot that is. The change-up is the faster delivery, normal delivery. Again the slow one, but this time it's the reverse sweep, play to perfection. Ends the 30, 99 for 3. Down the track and boy, out here.
That is massive. Pace, oh no, did roll the fingers on that a little bit, but not a big enough change in pace. And Rilee Rossouw looking dangerous.
Tries the Yorker. Goes to the fence again as that. Cutting with the slow one, and he just gets it over. Shane Watson, young Shane Watson, tries to jump up in the air, doesn't work. 50. Rilee Rossouw, just 23 deliveries, 3 maximums in that. Oh, he goes for the full sweep. He's had enough of pace off the ball. One, two, coming back. I think he's made it. Smashing it through the offside. Rossouw is just playing with the bowling. Full toss, whipped away, another boundary. 4 boundaries off the over, 132 for 3.
Exceptional. Yeah, there we go, there we go. It's gone all the way again. 100 partnership between these two.
Slower one. Put an ear hostess on it. Yeah, it's out of here.
And hit it hard, high, and then some. That's gone out of here. What a hitting.
His 5th maximum. There's a little change up. Guess what? That's 4 more.
This is not going to work. Not at all. Don't worry about chasing that.
Oh! Moves me, baby, and he obliges. Oh, yes. 17 off that one. 184 for 3 here. It's a hail calm. And he's just been spanked. Oh, yes. Rilee, you ripper. He's moved to 98 from 41. It's a hail. Nicely bowled, but there's a great 100. Fastest ever in the PSL. You better believe it, buddy. HBL PSL fastest 100. It's the 7th in the history of the HBL PSL, and by jingo, it's the fastest. No surprises there.
And he just took off from the word go. Well-deserved 100, 232 the strike rate, 10 fours, 6 sixes, and the big ones